In your Peugeot, you can customize the central touchscreen. To do this, press and hold the screen from any of the system's home screens or tap the Settings app. In the list, select the Customisation tab, then press on Display. A page split into 2 zones is displayed. Press on the pencil in the Customize touchscreen zone. A representation of the layout of the different widgets and pages will appear. To add a page, press Page on the left side of the screen. To customize it, press on one of the plus signs. The available widgets are highlighted. Press on one of them to add it to the page. To move a widget, long press it and slide it to the desired position. To remove a widget, long press it and slide it to the wastepaper basket. You can also move the pages by pressing on them and sliding them to the desired location. To remove a page, long press it and slide it to the wastepaper basket, then confirm. To confirm your modifications, press on the left arrow and save. To customize the head-up display, press on the pencil in the Customize Driver Display zone. The modification to the organization of the various widgets appears in real time on the head-up display.